And now it's time for the color. Supplied by TeckWrap. They said, yo, listen up Dom, you know that you gotta check this out. Well, certainly do that. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's another week and it's time for another video. And today we got a lesson in how to make your girlfriend happy. Step 1, steal her car. Step 2, wrap it in an amazing rosé chrome by TeckWrap. So let's get it washed right now and then we can start the wrap. Let's go! So, the windows are tinted, the roof is gloss black, spoiler is gloss black, and now it's time for the color. Supplied by TeckWrap. They said, yo, listen up Dom, you know that you gotta check this out. Well, certainly do that. Let's go. Since this chrome vinyl is very sensitive because we took the protection layer off, it's very important to keep the squeegee wet. We're done. There it is. Put a nice bow tie on. We wrapped it completely in TeckWrap Chrome Gold Rosé with the roof in gloss black. We tinted the windows, mirrors in gloss black. The next step is new wheels, but that's for later. Now it's time for me to drive back home and show her her present. And then it's time for Sir Chex and me to wait till the sun comes out and we'll take some nice shots of this car and put this video online. So thank you for watching. Thank you Sir Chex for all your time and effort and see you in the next project.